Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai visa expiration, and I have heard this a lot since the visa amnesty, so-called, came to an end back in October, November of 2020. And folks, they've come to me. I've seen it a lot actually in the context of the Thailand Elite program. People get into that program and they sort of think, it's sort of on an autopilot of sorts, and you still have to monitor your own visa's expiration date. It's not really incumbent on anyone else. Now, yes, if you're, deriving assistance, we certainly, with our clients, we try to stay on top of things. But, and fortunately for us, we've never had this issue. But that at the same time, it ultimately is the visa holder's own duty to make sure that they do not fall into overstay. And that means monitoring your own expiration date. I'm not making this video to try to be condescending. I want to be clear. This is more a video to provide a warning and to hopefully keep people on their toes, because this can be very inadvertent. These aren't people, in our experience, we've seen them, they've been dealing with a visa agent that either says that they're just going to take care of everything and they don't, or in certain cases, people think that Thailand Elite, sort of, as I said, puts things on a kind of autopilot. It doesn't. You have to maintain your status with Thailand Elite, and there are ways of doing that. We made a number of videos on that topic, on those topics on this channel. But at the end of the day, it's your duty to maintain your own status in Thailand, and keeping abreast of your own expiration date ultimately falls to oneself. Now, again, if you're gaining assistance, for example, with us, we certainly, we have a calendar, in fact, of our clients, visa documentation and when things are going to expire and work permit expirations, etc. That said, and we tell our clients this, and as I'm telling folks in this video, it ultimately falls to you as well. So, it's more eyes on that issue when you have someone assisting you. But, at the end of the day, you need to be aware of it yourself and not just sort of fob it off. And I've seen a lot of problems with this since the amnesty ended. And in some cases, we've been able to rectify things. In other cases, there have been situations that just were not, it was not possible to rectify things. Keep abreast of your own documentation and always maintain lawful status, because falling into overstay can have seriously negative implications.